Hey guys, Jay here, and today we are going to take a normal hot dog and turn it into a showstopper. We are making cheddar stuffed hot dogs wrapped in bacon, and then we're going to top it with some extras. Let's get grilling. This recipe is super simple, and I guarantee you will never want a plain hot dog again. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our hot dogs, and depending upon the kind you get, we're going to slice them right down the middle, just like that. Make a little cavity. Then we're going to take our cheese, and we are going to stuff that cheese right into our hot dog. Oh yeah, it's looking good already. Then we're going to take our bacon, and we are going to start from one end, and we are just going to wrap that hot dog with all that bacon goodness. I'm going to wrap up the rest of these. All right, so we wrapped our bacon, we split it lengthways. I use cheddar, but you can use any type of cheese that you want. I got this nice little device here. I'm going to take my hot dogs and I'm just going to place them right in here. And then this is going to close down on here like this. And then I'm going to get my hot dogs over to the grill. Once those are grilling, I'm going to start on our toppings. All right, so I'm going to get my hot dogs. My grill is nice and hot. That bacon sizzles up nice as soon as I put it on there. Close down your grill, and we're going to let those cook. Jalapeños are always delicious with a hot dog. You could even use some pepper jack cheese inside of your dogs that are cooking. What I've done is I've sliced these jalapeños in half. Make sure you take out the seeds if you don't like it super spicy. And we're just going to get these on the grill and char them up. Don't rush them with anything. Just put them directly on the grill. All right, so I smell that cheese and that bacon and everything else like that cooking on the grill nice. I'm going to take my jalapeños that are nice and charred. You can see that nice charring on my jalapeños. Give it a nice little slice. Okay. Then I have some green onion. I'm going to put a little bit of ketchup on my hot dog. Got some mustard. Looks nice. Oh my goodness, I'm going to take my jalapeños, take my onions, put those on there. Absolutely delicious. We're going to give this a try. Absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. I'm Jay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me grilling next. Keep watching for more awesome grilling.